I want to start off by saying that the information that I'm going to take you through over the next couple of days, there really is a presumption on my part that you know your human design. Because one of the concerns that I have, that I've always had, is about what happens to people when they start comparing their chart to somebody else's, let alone what that means at a professional level. You know, it's one thing to begin a process of understanding yourself and coming to grips with who you are, but if you really don't know design well, when you put two charts together, you don't really know what you're looking at. It is a different mechanism. It operates in a different way, and it has different rules. And so it's something that's very important. All of us want to know what our relationship is with the other. And the beauty of design and the magic of the way in which we can look at it and utilize that image, it gives us a profound insight into what relationship can be. You know, it's one of the more rewarding readings that I've done over the years, is to be able to sit with a partnership and to be able to take them through the design. It's very funny, you know. It's funny in the sense that to be able to see so clearly where all those points are in your relationship, and then to be able to work with them. So before we can really go in and dig into what partnership is all about, the first thing to recognize is the basic thing that human design teaches us. It's not about, we're not here to be in reclamation jobs. You know, you get a relationship that comes to you and it's two not selves that have met each other and they got all the problems that go with all of that. And it's not like you're going to be able to sit them down and take them through their partnership chart and you're going to be able to do wonders for them. It's not true. First of all, the fact that they didn't enter into the relationship correctly in the first place, and that's most human beings, means that they're already dealing with all kinds of conditioned problems. And that conditioning can be reinforced by the fact that we have children in those relationships. That we have all kinds of deep bonds, responsibilities, and all kinds of other things. I want to give you a hypothetical environment that we're working in over this weekend. And that hypothetical environment is if you could meet somebody correctly. Because you see, if you meet somebody correctly, you don't need partnership analysis. You don't have to be concerned about how this goes into that and this connects to that and all that stuff. The essential thing about having a good relationship is that you have to be yourself and you have to enter into it as yourself according to your type. And if you enter into a relationship correctly and you enter into it according to your type and its strategy, you are going to have a relationship that's of value. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to be Prince or Princess Charming. And it doesn't mean